You know, a path to becoming an artist isn't always easy. As a child, my mother was my source of creative inspiration. She was always crafting and making things with her hands. She was everything to me. I grew up having her with me until one day she passed away. That changed my life completely. I fell into a depression I couldn't imagine escaping. I tried everything to keep my mind occupied, and creativity became a form of escape for me. I started messing around with my photos, making basic edits and designs with PicsArt. One day, someone commented there were more ways to explore my creativity with the app. She told me I can make my photos look like professional artists. I was thinking, I don't know if I can. She said, this might help you, and at the very least, you'll have fun. That's how I started my journey. Slowly but surely, PicsArt became a form of therapy. I'll never forget the moment I started making my own art. I looked at my first piece and said, wow, I'm flying, I'm an artist. When I'm creating, I'm inspired by so many things. It can be a song, a movie, fantasy, or surreal art. I love bringing those elements into my artwork. My advice for anyone going through tough times is to make art. Editing, painting, singing, whatever it is, art is a great way to keep your mind busy and express how you feel. Who knows, you may just inspire others to create and feel connected. My name is Mendez, and I want people to know that if I can become an artist, they can too.